Hello and namaste from Nepal. We are Team North Platoon. Among the three challenges, we picked up the challenge number three that focused towards solving zero hunger and zero food waste problem. Food waste and hunger crisis is a global issue. According to 2020, around one third of the food produced for human consumption is actually wasted, whereas there are a lot of people in the world that are starving to death. There are also a lot of organizations like NGOs and INGOs working on to solve this problem, but they have some common issues. They struggle with the tension between volume and quality of the donations that are received compared to the demand and usefulness experienced by needed communities. Also, there is not much funding for implementing such costly AI driven solutions. So our solutions offers an AI driven dashboard with interactive user interface that uses machine learning to forecast upcoming demand and supply of food items based upon the historical data. So the flow starts with checking for incoming donations and requests, and also uses the forecasted results alongside the inventory database to make the intelligent decisions. We are also Our solution also provides us food waste management within that particular organization, and also manage request fulfillment to the needed individuals, all on a low cost basis. So here is the demo of our application. So once the user logins with their organizational credential, they would be redirected to this inventory dashboard where they could see the total number of requests that they get in that day, total number of donations, total number of donors that are associated with this organization. In this section with the upcoming request and the upcoming donation, this is where the actual forecasting model is being used. So here, based upon previous historical data, we'd be predicting out the upcoming request items that we might be receiving, or the upcoming donation items that the donors might be donating us. So these parameters and this data might be useful for the organization to make certain intelligent decisions. Let's say a donor wants to donate certain food items to that organization, so they could just do that using this donation form. So they could just select the order date, they could just select for the order item, they could just select the quantity, they could just select the items, again the quantity, let's say rice, a quantity of around 20. If they want to add more items, then they can just click on the add more and add new items. For now, I'll just donate the form. So when they donate this, we'll just check this in our inventory database, as well as we'll be the forecasting model will also be working in place. So using both of those as a combined form, we'll be making decision that we'll be either we accept the donation or not. So this is actually based upon if we are not being able to accept, then we just recommend that to some other organizations. So after let's say we have the donation accepted, then we can see the new donations pop up in here, as well as we can see the new donations coming up here in the new donations list. So let's say in case of in a case where we don't have we don't need we don't need certain donations. In that case, what we'll be doing is we'll just be recommending this to some other organizations, and for the recommendations we are planning to work that in our as a part of our future work. So this is the total demo of our application. So for the business plan, we are planning to partnership with food waste management organizations that have low budget, and we are planning to do that on a low funding basis, and we can also extend the same model to other businesses like e-commerces. uh, so we only had a limitation or time limitation of 2 days, so we were not able to achieve all the features we targeted. So we plan to work on that in our near future, so which includes like collecting more real-time data for quality forecasting, finding out more accurate and optimized learning algorithms, providing recommendation system for nearby organizations working on the same domain, food items information collection using object detection techniques, and also mobile app for the donors and individual community. Thank you for your time.